Okay, I placed the Cornish hen on rotisserie. I had to drop the drip pan down one because it was too close to the actual chicken, but there is enough clearance at the top. Now it said for 35 minutes, but so far everything I've cooked takes a lot longer. But so far so good, but it just started. We'll check back a little bit later. Okay, it's been 35 minutes and like I thought, still pretty raw. So I'm gonna put it in for another 35 minutes and see what happens. For 70 minutes, so let's check the temperature. It doesn't look done. Okay, the internal temperature was showing like 136 and it's supposed to be 160. So I put it back in for another 15 minutes. I don't know, jury's still out. Okay, that was, what, 10 minutes? So total it's been like 80 minutes and I'm showing internal temperature of 144. It's supposed to be 165. I went online on YouTube to figure out where to check the temperature. So I think I'm doing it right, but the point being is this thing is still not done. So I'm thinking another 15 minutes. Okay, that was another 15 minutes. So total has actually been 110 minutes. On one of the earlier shots, I said it had been there for 10 minutes, but it was actually 15. So right now I'm showing an internal temperature of 157. It's still not at 165. The book says 160, but everything I've read says 165. I do not need to get sick. I'm getting tired of this, and I actually had to eat something else because I was starving. And I don't even know if this looks good anymore. All right, so I'm gonna put it in for another 10 minutes. This is ridiculous, but I'm not gonna give up. Well, not yet. Wow, 10 minutes later and 152. I've been actually sticking this thermometer pretty much everywhere because now I don't know what I'm doing. And 120 minutes for a small Cornish hen. Come on. I'm putting it in another place. This is ridiculous. Nope. I'm committed to getting this done. I'm actually exhausted. I'm not hungry anymore. Doesn't look appetizing anymore. But yet, I'm going to press on. Stand by. Oh my God. It's 158. It's still not even close to 165. Okay, another 15 minutes. This is ridiculous. A total of 155 minutes, and it got to a total temperature of 157. It's dropping now. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna take it apart and take a look, and we'll take it from there. This is ridiculous. For one freaking Cornish hen, I threw out the package, so I don't remember how much it weighed, but there's no way it should take 155 minutes. This is not worth it. I'm very disappointed, and let me see what happens when I take it apart. Okay, I took it out, undid the twining, and I started to kind of dig into it. Well, look, it's still pink. 155 minutes, and it's still pink. This is crazy. Some of these other pieces are cooked. Tastes pretty good, but everything else, no. So, this is a fail. I'm very disappointed, and I have spent 155 minutes of my life on a chicken that I'm not even going to eat. All right, good luck to you. I'm done. Unlike this bird.